What's up, Frankie? My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations, and we spoke earlier. I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business, D&E Remodeling Contractors. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. But I found by giving people an easy tap in of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So, if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see the skills out to help your business grow and land more customers. You can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free tackling and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I have to go over is your content. But since you don't have your site pulled up or your site working, I'm going to be going over your competitors, which is Redesign KC. So Redesign KC is doing pretty good for itself. But in order for the business to be optimized to Google, any business to be optimized to Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. So in comparison to competitor, they have about 324. Okay, they could definitely add some more content and get some more keywords in here, and they'll be set. But since they don't, these keywords are going to different clients, different business owners, and they're getting different clients, more clients. Now, every month, people are searching for certain keywords number time, which you miss out on not being number one. And as you can see, I pull up this tool I like to use called Ahrefs. This is your competitor. Now, he's ranking for about 467 backlinks, 43 referring domains, and 231 organic keywords. Seems like a lot, but really, it's really not that much. So, reason why they're not getting as much traffic as they should be is because they are not doing location-based keywords. Or they are, but they're just not ranking very well. Because location-based keywords, so you got remodel and then you got Kansas City. So you have the type of niche you want to do and the city you want to do it in. That's what people search when they're trying to get the service. So getting these keywords inside of your content and getting backlinks directly to that website with these keywords is how you rank better in positions for these keywords. So going a little bit deeper into the keyword, volume is the amount of searches this keyword has per month, right? KD is how hard it is to rank this keyword, and cost per click, it just goes with AdWords. It's how much this keyword costs to use. Now traffic is the amount, or depends on the position, and that drives the amount of traffic from the volume. So now that you got an idea what keywords and how it helps, I'm going to show you what your site was ranking for, and this is it before you guys take it down. Now, you're doing pretty well. Remodeling Contractors, Kansas City, or whoever was doing your SEO was doing not too bad. They just didn't rank it for you. So that's all good. Everything is doable in due time. Since you have an idea what volume, KD, traffic, and position I'll go into, let's move on to the next optimization section so I'm not holding you back. Now, this is the second most important thing I want to talk about. We call this Google Map Hack or Maps. And on these results, you can see every single tab has a business. So the business has a name for the business, the address where the business resides, and the phone number at which people contact. So aka maps. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, rankings, of course. You got 5-star rankings. This is definitely going to help boost your authority in Google. No, but the backside behind ranking in Google Maps is your citations. How many directories is your business listed in? What type of directories? Are they high DRs? So to answer your question, we use another resource called WhiteSpark, and inside the resource there's a tool called Local Citation Finder. Now, this is what your site was ranking for citation-wise. You're about 14. So you got Yelp, Bing, HomeAdvisor, Yahoo. These are all places where your business was listed. So these citations, aka naps, are submitted word for word into directories as such. So now you know a little bit about what goes into a citation and how it works for you. The next important thing I like to talk about is probably arguably the most important. This is the third thing, and this is what gives your site authority. It's called link juice. So as you can see, when I do the search for remodeling contractors, Kansas City, and I go back towards organic listings, you see ads pop up. But really, we're looking at the organics right here. This is what all the link juice is making you do. It's ranking you up through Google's metrics. So you got redesign KC is in the first, business service position, total home KC is second, and home remodeling Kansas City third, so on and so on. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. If that means getting a website with new SEO, then that's what you gotta do. Now, this link juice, some people works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's just a little bit more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So, for example, if you have a relative site, say Home Advisor linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, if you get the gist. Anyways, I'm full Ahrefs again. And if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month. It's great to check out any link juice, any brand domains, organic keywords that any site has to offer. It's usually what I do all my keyword research for is this platform. Yep. Here you can see the amount of links, or I went back to the back. My bad. Let's go to his backlinks. Now, looking down, you can see every single site from where it's coming from to where it's going, to what he typed for his backlink and linked it, to where it's going to where he linked it as well. So it's pretty cool because you can take every single one and do the exact same. Right? It's pretty nice. For the three things we talked about today, right? We had your content. Oh, my bad. Content. You want at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage. Any service page, any location page, about page, you want at least 700 to 1,000. I mean, you can't always go wrong with more words, right? Citations is the next thing we talked about. We want at least 100 or 200 of these so you can start ranking higher in the map pack for new site you might want to build. And for your third is link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. Now, in some of these keywords, you might be ranking first, and others you might not. So, if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So, I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you. And you gotta get one, Frankie. Be in touch.